Elasticity. The concept of elasticity. For BSc first semester, Karnataka University Dharwad syllabus. Session 55, present by Kimanier, Government First Grade College, Hubli. Theory of light cantilever derivation, torsion expression for couple per unit twist. Learning objectives: to understand the concept of simple theory of light cantilever, to write and apply formula to arrive torsion expression for couple per unit twist. Session outcomes: explain theory of light cantilever, derive the expression for calculating depression, derive the expression to determine the couple per unit twist. Prerequisites: bending moment. The moment of the couple due to elastic reaction which balances the external couple is called bending moment. The restoring force. The restoring couple. When external couple acts on the beam to bend it, this is opposed by force of elastic reaction which are called into the beam. These elastic reaction constitute a couple called restoring couple. Depression. When the beam is loaded with a weight, as a result, the free end is depressed and occupies the new position. Theory of cantilever. Consider a beam of length L loaded with a weight mg. As a result, the free end is depressed and occupies the position B. Consider a point P at a distance S from fixed end. The load at the free end and the reaction at the fixed end constitute a couple. The moment of the couple is given by mg L minus x, where x is any point at a distance, P is any point at a distance x from the fixed end, and this length is represented by L minus x. This is balanced by the restoring couple, which is given by Q I upon R, where R is the radius of curvature of the natural axis at point P. So if we equate these two equations, mg L minus x Q I upon R. Therefore, one can write the expression for radius of curvature R as Q I upon mg L minus x. From this equation, it is clear that as x increases, R also increases. As the value of x increases, the value of R, radius of curvature, is also increases. That is, the radius of curvature of natural axis is maximum at the free end and minimum at the fixed end. Since R varies from point to point, the bending is said to be non-uniform bending. Consider another point Q very close to point P at a distance dx from point P, and it can be assumed that R is the same at both points. Let d theta be the angle subtended by the tangent drawn from point P and Q. Therefore, dx is equal to R into d theta, or R is given by dx upon d theta. We have expression for radius of curvature and the expression for radius of curvature, equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, Q I upon mg L minus x is equal to dx upon d theta, or the expression for d theta will be mg L minus x divided by Q I into dx. Let this be equation 3. The depression Q below P is given by dy is equal to L minus x into d theta. Substituting the value of d theta from equation 3, we will get the expression mg L minus x whole square divided by Qi into dx. The net depression y for the entire length L can be obtained by integrating this equation between the limits 0 to L. So if we integrate this equation between the limits 0 to L, taking out mg upon qi outside the integration, L minus x whole square will become L square plus x square minus 2Lx into dx. Integrate this equation. So L square, integration of L square will be L square x. Integration of x square is x cube upon 3, and integration of 2Lx is 2Lx square upon 2 between the limits 0 to L. Substituting the limiting condition, this quantity L cube upon x cube upon 3 become L cube upon 3. Substitute value of x as L, so it becomes, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, L cube. This L cube and plus L cube and minus L cube get cancelled. So the expression for net depression y is given by mgl cube upon 3q into I, where I is the radius of curvature, I is the moment of inertia. Its value is ak square. The value of I is ak square. So we have the expression for net depression y. For cantilever of rectangular cross section, the breadth b and thickness d, moment of inertia I is equal to ak square is equal to bd cube upon 12. Substituting the value of I in the above equation, the depression y is equal to 4mgl cube divided by b qbd cube. We are substituting value of I in this particular equation, and one can write the expression for Young's modulus. Taking this q to the other side, Young's modulus q is given by 4mg L cube divided by y into b d cube. For cantilever of circular cross-sectional area of radius r, moment of inertia I is equal to ak square, which is equal to pi r to the power 4 divided by 4. If we substitute the value of I, then the depression y is given by mgl cube upon 3q pi r to the power 4 divided by 4. If we simplify this equation, the equation reduces to 4 upon 3 mgl cube q pi r to the power 4, and the expression for Young's modulus q will be given by 4 upon 3 mgl cube pi yi to the power 4. Next expression, torsion expression for couple per unit twist. Consider a cylindrical wire fixed at one end and twisted at the other end by means of a couple of moment C. Now the cylinder is said to be under strain. A restoring couple due to elasticity of the material is set up inside the cylinder. In the equilibrium position, the restoring couple is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the applied twisting couple. The restoring couple is called a torsional couple. Let L be the length and A be the radius of the wire. The wire may be supposed to be made up of number of concentric thin cylindrical tubes. Consider one of the cylindrical tube of internal radius r and thickness dr as shown. When the external couple is applied to the free end of the wire, the line AB is displaced to AB dash. Let angle of twist is equal to theta and angle of shear phi is equal to phi in radians. So this is angle of theta and this is angle of phi. Now in triangle O dash B B dash, B B dash is equal to R into theta. Similarly, in triangle B A B dash, B B dash is equal to L into phi. So comparing these two equations, one can write L phi is equal to R into theta, or one can write the expression for phi as R theta upon L. Rigidity modulus is given by shearing stress divided by shearing strain. Here shearing strain is nothing but phi. Hence shearing stress is given by rigidity modulus eta into phi. Substituting the value of phi from the above expression as R theta upon L, the equation reduces to shearing stress is given by eta R theta divided by L. The shearing force acting on the cross section of the tube is equal to stress into area, where stress is given by eta R theta upon L into area of will be given by 2 pi R into dr. If you simplify this equation, the equation reduces to 2 pi eta theta upon L into R square dr. The moment of this force about the axis OO dash of the tube is given by this force multiplied by the perpendicular distance. Force multiplied by the perpendicular distance R. Hence the equation reduces to 2 pi eta theta upon L R cube. The total moment acting on the entire wire is obtained by integrating the above expression between the limits 0 to a. If you integrate this equation, the integration of R cube is R to the power 4 divided by 4 between the limits 0 to a. Substituting the limiting condition, the expression reduces to pi eta a to the power 4 into theta divided by 2 times L. This couple is equal to the applied couple C, which is equal to pi eta a to the power 4 theta divided by 2L. Therefore, couple per unit twist can be obtained by dividing this equation by theta. So if we divide this equation by theta, couple per unit twist C is given by pi eta a to the power 4 divided by 2L. If the cylinder is hollow with internal and external radii equal to B and A respectively, then the couple per unit twist can be obtained by this particular expression. Questions. Twisting couple per unit twist of cylinder depends on modulus of rigidity. The unit of twisting couple is B N into M Newton meter. Rectangular beam is bent into the arc of a circle. The strain produced in the beam is extensional only, compressional only, both. Bending moment of a beam depends only on Young's modulus, bulk modulus, Poisson's ratio, none. Young's modulus. Twisting couple per unit twist of wire or cylinder is also called torsional rigidity. The twisting couple is equal and opposite to the restoring couple. These are the reference books. Thank you.